All right, I think it's like round 5. So this is a 34,000, whatever, 35 grand, 1967 Chevelle convertible, all original. You want to buy it? 612-290-9229, 9299. So it's all original. What do you guys think about this, huh? I'm not much into 5-speed. Beautiful vehicle. Classic. That bad boy, huh? So this original. So, oh my goodness, so many cars, so little time. Put a couple up on YouTube. They don't really go anywhere. No one cares. Challenger, nice. How much is it? Dodge, insane Dodge Challenger, nice. You guys think, huh? Nice. Convertible. Put that top down, bitch boy. Hi. It's amazing. When women see the camera, they they get all excited because they're emotional, right? Oh my God, the camera's out. We gotta look into it. It's just a camera, just a YouTube, you morons. They see right away. So it's funny as hell. There you go. Love it. So I was just cruising around. What do you guys think about that, huh? People can't get over the montage shirt either. It's okay. I mean, it's just nothing special. Now this, that bad boy. Okay. Kind of, I mean, some of these are cool, but I mean, these are all just Mustangs, and let's go over here to the Cadillacs over here, shall we? There's some over here that are kind of nice. Got a Nova over here. These are something. I mean, I get all those, but this is a.
My son's going to be in the black car. He's actually pretty good.
Over here, around these people here.
My boy. All right.
There you go.
Thanks for coming out. Thank you, Street Machines, for the great support.
That bad boy.
Thanks for an awesome address. Mike out.
That's a nice one. Look at that big boy. Cool. That wouldn't fit in my garage. That thing is huge. Oh my goodness. Look at that bad boy, huh? Woo.
Okay, so we have BBE. Raise your hand.
This is what you want to see right here. What do you guys think, huh? Oh my goodness.
Play there first. And then we have Stone Lizards.
Yeah, that's a lot of hot rods, man. Go over here. Cruise on over here. Fresh lemonade. Oh.
TGL.
Cheese on a stick.
TGL.
No, I'm not showing you. Oh, the girl's waving at the camera. Not waving at you, moron. I like these ones. When I was looking for my convertible, I wanted to buy one of these over here to my right. I'll show you. But they want way too much for it. Not worth it. This is kind of cool. Unsafe at any speed, 1962. Look at that bad boy right over there. Hell yeah. No. I like these are nice. 66 Chev. I love these, but they wanted like 60 grand right out of the gate. I love it. They're cool as hell. But they're fun. So I gotta be able to get out of here because I got the music. You'll be hearing the music. I like that, huh? I gotta cruise over here, get away from the music so you can't hear it too much. Like that, huh? See, now we're getting into some nice vehicles right here. I'm not even touching them either. There's a bunch of those. Look at that bad boy. Holy Lord. Look at that. That's kind of cool. SS. Nice. It's got the hunch in there. Ooh. We got a 65 Chevy Impala over there. I gotta go look at that. Let's go look at a couple of GTOs, a couple of nice vehicles over here, and a 65 Chevy Impala. Super Sport. First, we get the GTO out of the way here. Nice. Look at this bad boy. I'll steal this one. Minnetonka, 1970. Look at that. Oh my word. Here's my. I love to get a convertible, buy one, just have someone just fix it up for me. Yep. See, because the difference of the back, different dramatic 4, easy identified. Yep. It manufactured almost 240,000. Set a record for the most Uber models produced in a single year. The 64 and 65 were, yep, you got the original bottle. Nice. Yep. But see, that should be in the back then. He modified it. Because if that was true, that should be in the back. So, I don't know. And he made it into one, which I did, but I didn't do all the work. But he, you know, these lights are original, you can tell. So I don't know, but it's always in the back. It's always back in here. There's a nice one right here. That bad boy. Ooh, baby. Go walking over. No, that's the SS are always in the back. So little Monty over here. Get over here. You got the those rides. Sky Rider. There goes. So let's go over here. Over here. Make way back to the car because I mean I can just go on and on and on. But how many videos do you want to do? Right now, this is my 5th one. So. I mean, when you come to the 50s, every car is a classic. So you kind of get a different variety. Different one right here. It is. Can't tell. Let's see. Let's go over, not much up there. A lot of people walking, but anyway, a lot of big traffic jam up there. A lot of Corvettes up there, so let's go over here. There we go. Green little machine over here. Go by the grandstand over here. Oh yeah, 6-pack.
You want me to fall?
That bad boy over there. Woohoo! A little cool over here for the camera too. Go ahead. I'll walk in front of dart. That's a dart. Look at that bad boy. You can kind of tell people are bad boy. '22nd of July. Happy New Year in January, you guys. So you're kind of over here too as well, way in the back. It just goes and goes and goes. Right, okay, look at that big bad boy. No, it's a little too big for the cowboy. So, anyways, here's this one. So we'll finish over here on this one right here. Bel Air. These are a dime a dozen. You get a lot of these. Whole bunch of those. Look at that bad boy, huh? Little Purple Pride Fairline. Purple Pride, Purple Pride. All right.